Hey guys, I'm just making a quick breakfast. I thought we would make some blueberry pancakes. So you're going to need 1.5 scoops of your favorite protein powder, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, an egg, a 1/3 of a cup of almond milk, and some vanilla. And I put in the zest of part of a lemon, whatever you like. And I've squeezed in with my handy dandy squeezer, a half a lemon into the almond milk. So I'm just going to add my egg and then my almond milk, all my wet stuff together, and my yogurt. And I'm just going to whisk that together. And I was trying to open up my vanilla with one hand. It's not easy. I'm going to just add just a drop of some vanilla. I love the flavor. Whisk that together. Like so. Super easy. And then I'm going to just add that to my dry mixture. You can use whatever protein powder you have. If you don't have Quest, that's okay. There's a lot of protein in this. Let me just see here. 22 grams of protein. It's fantastic. And only 1 gram of sugar, which we like. So I'm just mixing this up. Make a nice batter. And you'll have a nice lemony taste if you use vanilla. But if you have chocolate or other flavor protein powders, you can use that as well. All right. And I love blueberries. So I'm adding my blueberries in to make beautiful blueberries. If you want to add more blueberries, I'm just trying to see if that's enough. I have a half a cup. I think I'm just going to add another little handful. And you're going to get lots of beautiful blueberries. It's even turning blue, kind of purpley, which is fine. So you heat your skillet to a medium heat. And I just have it heated. And I've just used some spray pan. And I'm going to take my measuring cup, just so that they're even, and add it to my skillet. I'm going to turn it really down low because I don't want them to cook too fast. I'm just going to show you a couple right now. And just let them cook. Don't touch them. Just let them cook evenly. Turn on the light here. There we go. And you're going to have a really nice high protein, low fat, low carb breakfast. I've just cut up I've just taken some clementines. I love clementines, but whatever fruit, extra fruit if you want on the side. If you have any other protein, you like turkey bacon or sausage or anything like that, you can have that as well. But these pancakes are going to fill you up. Fill your tummy up. They are super, super delicious and filling. All right, so you can see that they're starting to bubble. And I'd like to just check, make sure that they're cooking underneath. And they are. So I made them quite large. Probably should have used a bigger pan. I'm actually going to wait a few minutes because they're very heavy. And just keep it on a very low heat because you want them to cook and bubble. If you turn them over too fast, they're going to break apart, which I can tell is going to happen if I do it right now. They taste really good. I just tasted the spatula. They're going to be really good. Okay, let's see if I can turn this one over. Yay! I did it. You want it to cook well. And I think you could get like 3 or 4 pancakes at least. You can make them smaller. You don't have to make them so massive. This one is giving me some trouble because it's thick. If you like other fruits, you can use other fruits. If you like chocolate chips or you have a few almonds, you can add that, or whatever. Hemp seeds or flax seed would be really delicious. Okay, I'm going to turn this one over now. Bear with me here. And there you have it. 2 delicious pancakes, and there's still more batter. I hope you love this recipe, and visit me on my Facebook page, Reese's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips. And please subscribe and ring that bell. All recipes are written under each video, okay? So don't forget, share and subscribe with everybody. Love you guys.